Many people automatically assume that as individuals age, their ability to manage daily tasks, especially housework, declines significantly. This belief is rooted in common stereotypes about aging, portraying seniors as frail, slow, or dependent on others for basic tasks. However, these assumptions are often far from reality. In fact, countless seniors demonstrate remarkable capability in maintaining their households, managing cleaning, cooking, laundry, and even minor repairs with competence and efficiency. Physical capability is often underestimated. While it's true that aging can bring some decline in strength or stamina, many older adults adapt by using efficient techniques, assistive devices, or simply pacing themselves. For example, a senior may break down chores into smaller steps, take short rests in between tasks, or use lightweight cleaning tools to reduce strain. This shows that seniors do not necessarily need to perform chores in the same way as younger adults to achieve the same results. They adjust intelligently to their changing physical abilities. Experience and routine also play a major role. Seniors have often been managing households for decades, giving them practical knowledge and organizational skills that younger generations may lack. They know how to prioritize tasks, organize cleaning schedules, and handle multiple chores effectively. For instance, a senior may efficiently manage laundry while simultaneously cooking a meal or tidying different areas of the home. This level of multitasking, built over years of experience, allows them to maintain a household without excessive strain. Mental resilience and motivation are equally important. Seniors who take pride in their independence and home environment often push themselves to stay active, which in turn supports their physical health. Doing housework isn't just about maintaining the home. It also provides a sense of purpose, accomplishment, and control over their lives. This psychological benefit often fuels their ability to continue managing chores even when others might expect them to give up. Modern tools and technologies further empower seniors in household management. Lightweight vacuum cleaners, ergonomic mops, dishwashers, and laundry machines make physically demanding tasks easier. Even simple adaptations, like using a stool for extended tasks or organizing cleaning supplies within easy reach, can make a significant difference. Seniors who embrace these tools demonstrate adaptability and resourcefulness, showing that age does not equate to inability. In summary, the assumption that seniors cannot keep up with housework is a misconception. Through adaptation, experience, routine, motivation, and modern tools, many older adults continue to manage their households efficiently and independently. Recognizing their capabilities not only challenges ageist stereotypes but also highlights the resilience, intelligence, and resourcefulness that seniors bring to everyday life. Their ability to handle household chores serves as a powerful reminder that aging does not mean incapacity. It often brings wisdom, skill, and determination that surpasses expectations. Stereotypes about aging are deeply ingrained in society, shaping how people perceive older adults and what they believe seniors are capable of. One of the most common misconceptions is that aging inevitably brings frailty, dependence, and a lack of energy, leading many to assume that seniors cannot maintain an active, independent lifestyle. However, these assumptions are often misleading and fail to reflect the reality of aging for the majority of older adults. Independence is a central aspect of life for many seniors. Contrary to the stereotype that older adults need constant help with daily tasks, many seniors actively manage their homes, finances, and personal schedules. They cook, clean, shop, and organize their lives efficiently, often juggling multiple responsibilities with skill. The perception that aging automatically reduces one's ability to be independent overlooks the fact that seniors develop strategies and routines to accommodate changes in strength, stamina, or mobility. By pacing themselves, using assistive devices, or planning tasks more strategically, they maintain autonomy and self-sufficiency far longer than society often assumes. Energy levels in seniors are also frequently underestimated. While it's true that natural aging can bring some physical decline, many older adults maintain impressive vitality and endurance. Exercise, hobbies, social engagement, and active lifestyles contribute to their overall health, enabling them to continue performing physically demanding activities, including housework, gardening, or volunteering. Even those with chronic conditions can find ways to conserve energy while remaining productive. This resilience demonstrates that energy is not solely determined by age but by lifestyle, attitude, and adaptation. Stereotypes can also have negative psychological effects, both on seniors and society's perception of them. When older adults are treated as incapable, they may internalize these beliefs, potentially limiting their confidence and participation in daily life. However, many seniors actively challenge these assumptions, proving through action that age does not define capability. Their achievements in maintaining homes, managing finances, and engaging in social or volunteer work showcase that independence and energy are not lost with age. They are often redirected and refined. Society's underestimation of seniors' abilities also masks their contributions. Many older adults provide invaluable support to families, communities, and workplaces. They mentor younger generations, care for grandchildren, and volunteer in meaningful ways. Recognizing and valuing their independence and energy encourages inclusion, combats ageism, and highlights the diversity of aging experiences. Ultimately, stereotypes about aging are overly simplistic and fail to account for the adaptability, resilience, and competence of older adults. By underestimating seniors' independence and energy, society misses the opportunity to appreciate their skills, wisdom, and ongoing contributions. Challenging these stereotypes is essential for fostering respect, empowerment, and realistic expectations for what aging truly looks like. Older adults are not defined by limitations, they are defined by their ability to adapt, thrive, and remain active participants in their own lives and communities.